In this video, I will show you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to system.io. So first, to do this, go and open up system.io, and in the top right, go to your profile dropdown and click settings. Now here you want to come into custom domains right here in the left menu, and here you will find your standard system.io domain and any other domains you may have already connected. But here just go and click add domain, and here you need to enter your domain name. Now you have a few options. You can do www.yourdomain. You can also do something else such as blog.yourdomain or whatever else you want to add. I'll just do www. and then my domain. Now if you're not sure what your domain is, just go to GoDaddy, go to domain right here, and you'll then find your domain. So this is it for me. I'll just paste that in and click save. Now, after doing that, I actually went with blog right here since I already connected www to another account. But right here, you will then get some settings. So these are DNS settings. Now, this may look difficult, but it really isn't. So first, right here, you have blog.yourdomain or whatever else you added. For me, it's blog. So you just want to take this first part here. And as you can see, this is a CNAME record. So now go to GoDaddy, click on DNS right here. And then under DNS records, click add new record. For the type, again, it's a CNAME. Then the name here was blog. Then here on the right, you want to take all of this and paste that in. Then click save. Then it will add that DNS record. Then we need to add one more, which is also a CNAME record. But for the name here, it's something else. So just take everything in front of the first dot. So we can see .blog, everything in front of that you want to copy. For you, again, it may be .www or something else. Then here again, take everything and paste that into the value. Then click save. And we've now added our two DNS records, so both of these CNAMEs. Now you can go and close this, and it now says pending validation. DNS records can take up to a few hours to actually fully propagate and connect. So you may need to wait for a little bit of time, but if you did exactly what I showed you, then you will have fully connected it, and it will be done within usually a few minutes, but it can take up to, I think, 24 hours. So that's how you can connect a GoDaddy domain to system.io. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.